Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and what are the chances it breaks out this week. All right, that crucial level that we are looking at, guys, is 45,855. We're pretty close to it right now, about $1,000 away, if not a little bit more than that. But we do have a couple levels of resistance above us. We have the ascending triangle that we're seeing right here. We do have the neckline above that. That's what we're trying to break out of. But we also do have the 50 and the 20 weekly moving averages here, which is going to make this a little bit of a pain for this week only. Going back over the past few years, if you will, we normally take 1 week to test out the 20, then the following week we actually break out above it. So if we were looking at a breakout historically, it would actually happen from Sunday until next Saturday, right? So let's just take a look at that. We're tapping it right now. Tapped it first, then made a move. Come all the way back down here. Tapped it first, made a move. Tapped it first, made a move. It's rare that we actually just blow up through it. Tested it out, made a kind of went across, then the move started right here. Tested it, made a move. It is rare that we actually do get above this without testing it for about a week or so, and I think that's this week if we if you guys are being optimistic. Now, something you guys may have been looking at seeing on Twitter here is there are some limit order ask prices being set up right now to try to create a big wall to stop a breakout. Retail traders and whales predominantly are going to be the fighting force to actually, cause us to break out. Retail traders have their part, but it's not going to be anything compared to the millions that the whales are going to be throwing at crypto here over the next few days. So that's what we're going to be watching, a massive whale battle go on here. And now, if you guys want to take one last quick look at this right here, we do have the Fibonacci levels. We've been managing to hold them pretty well so far. These are with the log information on here. But if you do go over here, and you can see how long this Fibonacci level has been going on for quite a bit of time. We click on support right here, or settings. And if we actually turn off the Fib levels based on log scale, we're gonna look at a little bit of a different story here, where we're holding support, and we're still trying to break out above this Fibonacci level right here, which is at 43,837. We've been above it a few times over the past few months, as you guys can see, but unfortunately, towards the end of the week, we always seem to be having a crash on Friday or Saturday, which has led us to kind of, continue to consolidate here. So let's see what happens. Now we're going to be looking at the GAN-FAN levels as far as crypto is concerned, mostly sticking to the weekly charts here. Now, this is going to look a little bit more like a mess. I understand I have two GAN-FAN levels right here, 45-degree angle going up, 45-degree angle going down, and we're going to see those cross intersection points, and they do tell a little bit of a story. You can see over the past few months, we've been having some trouble breaking out and holding above the 2-to-1 GAN-FAN line right here. We finally did. A lot of people bought that breakout. We ran into resistance at the 3-to-1 right here, and now we're trying to come all the way back up here towards 47,000. Each time we have been in this zone, we have not been able to actually hit one of those resistance levels, mostly because of the wall that's been put up here at the 45,855 level, okay? And as well, we do have these moving averages coming down upon us as well here. So if you guys want my best advice of what to do right now, this is not financial advice, this is kind of what most traders are going to be looking for. You guys really want to wait for Bitcoin to break above $46,000 before buying it. If you guys want to buy in right now, by all means go for it. Just make sure you guys have a stop loss in case we have a similar move like we had over the past few months, where we get all the way up here, everybody's really excited, and then we start seeing these drops that came down almost 25%. And imagine what the altcoins would be if Bitcoin fell down 25% from here, okay? Now, we do have a support level here from the 4-to-1, so if Bitcoin really did start breaking down out of this little bit of an uptrend that we've been watching over the past few days, we would only be going down about 12%, not back down to like 25%. We would actually have to break below 2 GAN-FAN levels over the next couple weeks, which would lead to a pretty quick drop, which I don't really foresee happening unless whales really do start putting the pressure on Bitcoin, or we start having some negative news. And if you guys go on Twitter today, it is nothing but positive news. Russia might be accepting Bitcoin. Crypto's kind of back across the world. EU's pulling back some regulation, or not trying to put on more regulation, which is the same thing if you ask me. And that's really what we're looking for right now. The safest thing to do is wait for 46,000. You will see a lot of shorts up here at 45,000 looking to bring the price back down. I have a short open right now. I opened at 45,000. I told you guys that yesterday. And basically I have a stop loss I have a stop loss basically of like 2% or so. But since it actually has come back down from 45,000 down to 44,222 right now, I will actually put my stop loss at 45,000. So no matter what happens, I'm just going to be paying fees if I do lose some money here. Otherwise, I'm going to be holding it hopefully until back down here about $43,000, $42,000, and then scaling out some and waiting for the following week to see if I can scale some out more down here at 40,000 if for some reason we do make it that low, okay?
Talk to me nice.